So, if you've been thinking about moving or buying here, a new construction here in the Triangle area of North Carolina, and you want to something that feels peaceful, private, and still close to everything, you are definitely going to want to take a look at Shore Ridge here by Lennar. This is a beautiful new home community tucked away off Doc Nichols Road. And one thing that is really beautiful about this, it doesn't feel crowded here. You got that spacious single family home sitting in a gorgeous tree-lined home sites here. See this? So it really gives you that quiet tuck away feeling while still being convenient to everyday life here in Durham. So you're just minutes away from RTP area, RDU Airport, I-40, I-540, and all the shopping and restaurants and entertainment over at Brier Creek. So the location is really hard to beat. And today, I will show you homes here. They're so large. They have large floor plans offering here at Shore Ridge. This home gives you plenty of space to spread out and to entertain and really enjoy comfortable living while still feeling warm and welcoming. So stick around because we're going to walk through some beautiful homes here together, which makes Shore Ridge a special place to call home. Hey everyone, this is Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina, helping people move to places like Cary, Raleigh, Durham, and Apex. And if you've been thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. I tour homes, explore communities, and basically do all the walking so you don't have to until you're maybe ready. So, why don't you go ahead and hit that button to subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss anything. And whenever you're ready in 9 days, in 90 days, or 9 months, reach out. I help people just like you every day, and I love to help you too. Hi, we're here right now at Shore Ridge here by Lennar, and we're going to take a quick tour of this beautiful home right here. And let me tell you more about it as we walk along. Has two-car garage right here, and come on in. This home is offering a nice, spacious office space right here with beautiful French door right here, sorry. I don't look like I'm wet, but there's sprinkler all over the area. So, and then it walks right here to this dining area. On this side, it's a formal. You can have it as a formal, and then a living space over here on this side. And this will be your breakfast area right here. Okay, and then this is the kitchen over here, nice and spacious. It's a chef-inspired kitchen. And then they have, let's see, the two-car garage over on this side with a drop zone right here. And this one has a coat closet on this side. And look how beautiful this big pantry is. It has a nice shelvings right here. Perfect. And then, as you can see, it has a primary master, I mean, not master, this is the guest bedroom right here. Okay? And this guest bedroom has an access to the full bathroom right here. And then as we come over on this side, look at the size of this screened-in porch. So as you can see, this screen-in porch also have this, as you can see, it has also that patio. And these are standard on this floor plan. And that's really beautiful. They were going to enjoy that. And let's go tour the upstairs from here. As we walk here on the second floor, it has this area right here, which is a small loft. And then bedroom number one. Let's see, shoes should be clean. You can just, and it has a walk-in closet right here on this side. And then it has more closet space here. That's very convenient. Bedroom number two right here. Plenty of windows, which is really good, and it adds brightness to the room. And a walk-in closet right here, which is a must. And then they can turn the lights on here for the buyers. And then here's their full bathroom. Two vanities, which is very essential. And then right here is the bedroom right here with its full access to the bathroom. Walk-in closet. And this bedroom is large enough to have its own own bathroom right here, which is really convenient. See this? And look at the size of this bedroom. It's huge. Very large. And then towards this section is your, okay, we saw that already. And then let's go over here. This is your laundry section area, laundry room. It has a nice window and cabinets and also a sink there. And this is your bonus or rec room. Wow, it's huge. I like this. Could be your theater room because it's enclosed enough to, for the sound system, but this is flexible. You can convert it to your rec room, TV room, exercise room, whatever you want. And now, wow, look at the primary bedroom, guys. This is the primary suite. And it even has this nice sitting nook area here where you can put more seating arrangement here for a cozy living area over here. And it's the one good thing about this home site is that it's tucked away to look at the tree line in the back for more added privacy. It's beautiful. It's a good, nice size lot. And it has a tree line, has a nice view from the back, if you noticed. That's really beautiful. When you're here, you can just see trees, not other homes, and that's a plus. You have to have a nice, and look at their primary bathroom. It's a split vanity. Here's his and hers, or hers and his, and it has this beautiful garden tub, and it has two closets here, walk-in closets. Okay, there's one right here, and that's his. Judging by the size. Sorry, guys. And this is hers, which is a bigger closet. So it's a fact. Women needs more closet space. So yeah, this is it. This is the tour of this home. And then you also have a private commode right here. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you on with the neighborhood drive. Shawridge is a community of a new sizable single-family homes here for sale here in Durham, North Carolina. With quick access to RTP and Brier Creek, they have the top shopping and dining and entertainment here, Brier Creek. And here's a little bonus for you. One thing buyers are excited about right now is the special financing being offered to qualified buyers. You may be able to get a promotional FHA 5/1 ARM rate starting at 3.5%, along with the 5,000 towards your closing costs that can really help you lower your upfront expenses. So, if you're thinking about moving to the Triangle, especially Durham or Apex or Cary or nearby areas, and you want to see communities just like this with this great location, feel free to reach out to me anytime. You can text me, call me, send me an email. I'd love to hear what you're looking for and help you through the process. And just remember, I help a lot of buyers locally and also those relocating from out of state. There's so many great homes here and options here in Durham. And this could be your next home here at Shorridge. So watch out for the next neighborhood drive so you can see and feel the area.
My little Milky Way, shining where the dark can't stay. Don't say much, I hear you in the quiet anyway. Fading in the silver haze, somehow you illuminate every step, like you're pulling me a different way. Streetlights on your jacket, flicker then they fade. You laugh a tiny second, I forget the day. Your hands inside your pockets, mine are getting cold. Still the air between us feels a little bold. Something in the distance hums a gentle tune. Traffic lights are blinking like they're watching you. I don't know.
Keep it on repeat, tested by the potion, love it.